Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I stop my Kidde carbon monoxide alarm from beeping? Resetting the alarm. Turn off the power to the smoke alarm at the circuit breaker. Remove the smoke alarm from the mounting bracket and disconnect the power. Remove the battery. Press and hold the test button for at least 15 seconds. Reconnect the power and reinstall the battery. What does 2 beeps on a carbon monoxide detector mean? Is your carbon monoxide detector, alarm, trying to tell you something? Carbon monoxide, CO, alarms monitor your home 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and are designed to provide accurate readings for the life of the alarm. When your alarm nears its end of life, it will let you know by beeping 2 times every 30 seconds. How do I turn off Kidde carbon monoxide alarm end of life? Breakthrough label with a screwdriver. Turn the screw to the off location. This will deactivate the alarm, stop the low battery chirp and render the alarm safe for disposal by draining the battery. Note: turning off the alarm is permanent. How often do I need to replace a Kidde carbon monoxide detector? Every 7 to 10 years. In accordance with the National Fire Protection Association, NFPA, Kidde recommends replacing smoke and heat alarms every 10 years, and replacing carbon monoxide and combination alarms every 7 to 10 years, depending on your model, to benefit from the latest technology upgrades. Why does my Kidde alarm keep going off? One reason that the alarm is going off all the time could be simple: it needs a new battery as soon as possible. Batteries ought to be replaced annually, so it is worth getting into the habit of changing them on a regular basis. Unless, of course, it has a sealed battery which should last up to 10 years.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.